Alright, it's November 2008. Our builder is planning to build 12 houses along one side of a road. He will build two houses in style A. So for first part, I can say that if it is A, so it is two styles, right? For B, it has two houses in the same style. C, it has three, and D, it has four. And for E, it has only one. For the first part, it says find the number of possible arrangements of these 12 houses. So it's 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial for A, 2 factorial for B, 3 factorial for C, and 4 factorial for D. Simplify and you will get 831600. That is your first part answer. Next part, it's part 2. It says you have two categories, first group and second group. The 12 houses will be in two groups. Find the number of possible arrangements. If all the houses in styles A and D are in the first group, and all the houses in styles B, C, and E are in the second group. So if we talk about the first group, there are 6 houses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have A and D, right? So how many houses in A we have? So these two houses we have for A, and for D we have 4 houses, so that will be for D. Alright, now they can swap each other, right? They can swap each other, so that is for 2 factorial or 2. Inside that box it can be swapped, and inside that box it will be swapped. So what we have 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That is for option A, right? For option B, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is for option B, and this is for option A. Alright. For option B, we have style B, C, and E. For B, we have 2. So that is for B. This is 2, right? And for C, we have 3. So for C, we have 3. And for E, we have 1. So the leftover is 1, right? So now that will be equals to 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and these two answers, they need to be multiplied. So when you multiply these two, you will get the final answer, and that is equals to 900. After that, for part 3, the question says 4 of the 12 houses will be selected for a survey. So the selection we have, it's 4, right? And the condition is exactly one house must be in style B and exactly one house in style C. Alright, so to make it easy, I'm going to draw 4 dashes here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so if we are going to select house in style B, so there are two options, right? So for the first part, if we are going to select from style B, so we have two options. Similarly, if you observe for style C, so you have three options. So we have three options for style C. The question clearly indicates that exactly one house. Exactly means that if you have two styles in B, now the both of the two houses will be eliminated if you are going to select any one, right? We have three houses in style C, we have picked one, that means we cannot pick the other two. So the total we have, it's 12, right? And out of picked we have 2 from the style B and 3 from the style C. So what is the leftover? Leftover options are 7. Alright, and among those 7 options we need to select any 2, so that will be 7 combination 2. So you can say that it's 2 times 3 times 7 combination 2, it's 21, which leads to 126, and that is your answer.